na wa Marata family mekuria mona wa Kiajoya gathima magithike muno makiria cio ni mundu gwitwo Mburu ekuria Bungoma Shirwa Uhuru Market. Good morning wikuria Hamza Makada na ndio ikuna ni gatho GJ Transformer kuma kuria mwena wa Gacui Dagureti mundu gwitwo Dumbi Simon. Good morning from Kairitu Mashinani pamoja sana mundu gwitwo Honorable Gafu Blessed wikura mwena wa Gitadara Karima Ward Uthaya na mundu gwitwo Kenyate wa Home Best wikuria Kiawara Nyeri County. Mary Hector wikia muri kuria mwena wa Gaturi na Njoroge Kaimenyi makaniko na ega gikuona na Mwangi wa Wedani ona we wikadara kwa igatu hamwe muno makiria mundu gwitwo Charity wikuria mwena wa Maua Mishek Kariuki wikihome Mahiga Uthaya na mundu ugwitwo Munyiri wa Waya kwanyu kurai na mbura. Yes gwito ni koretwe kiura ona muthenya wa ira ni raurire muno na ni githecete the proper mundu gwitwo Jeff Muna Promise gakuona wikuria Soweto Promise Communication mundu gwitwo Susan Kuria hata we na kuona ndani ya mtambo. Asante sana mithamo wa Dudu onawe ukirikuo muno makiria ni gatho cia mwanya. Shiko wa High Rise wikuria Buruburu kaiga wikuona Pam Kamiri wikuria warahurirwo Thuita wa Wangui na wa Maria wa Maimahio na Pastor Paul wa Free Area onawe ngagikuona. Asante sana Millicent Maina onawe ndukiri kuria mwena wa Karatina na mundu ugwitwo Tina Mwene Nyahururu onawe ukiri ku thinie wa Mutabo. Nituthiete na mbere o wega na nikereka aria kayuka ruriri tukwenda gukorwo tugikinyukia na ririkana na maundu maingi muno magithite na mbere thiini wa bururi witu wa Kenya na tugwa kiwa mamwe mamacio mundu gwitwo Maina Kihumo na mundu gwitwo Mbugua ni makoro magikimahutia ikerekaini iria kindu gigwitwo Njuki Muhungiri wa Ituki kimurika magatheti no turagithi na mbere na gukorwo tugikimandiria na ikereka ria kayuka ruri tugukorwo tugikimarika na njira dikiru kindu gigwitwo IBC ni gigicokire nigetha hihi tumenyekana ithurano ni gugikika toguo mundu gwitwo Mbugua kiuga no ria gukiuikaine hena ward itari na MCAs hena kindu gigwitwo constituencies shitari na abunge. Is it time na ririkana thaici andu megwitwo mbeu njithi muno makiririka ria Jenzi maraiga mubungero tararuta wira ni araurwo very fast na ukona riu ni mageretie guke makiuga ehe ni sore ni gugika ati nginya ngi marari very arrogant makoretwo magikiuga gukihoya muhera but you know I think na nitukionete kam mutugo kwa kiyumiria ni kugeria kuhorohia andu no watu si wajinga saizi andu ni monete utheri na magagikorwo magikiona maundu maingi na hindio mundu ugitwo kiumo megukeragia na Mbugua cikigie baba ndeigwa mbeu njithi makimuria baba what are we bonging atubongi what are we bonging kogo maundu ni maingi utati wa kirema na goro githiete gukorwo ruthitira mbere gukorwo gikihiuhia ciande na maundu mangi maingi koguo mothe mathaa matwitikire nigetha ndikinengerie Maina Kihumo mwaroko na mathaa makuigana marike ku na njira dikiru tuterete cigiuteti na utongoria ni ndigite haraya umuthi ni muthenya wa Wednesday kama kawaida turikaga thiini wa relationship shito tukarora cigikaire koguo ni tugukorwo tugikiaria maundu matiganite ciahanda thaa 2 na ndagika 2 no kwa kahinda gaka ngwenda gukwendithia wiroreri mwega na ngakuria na njira ya gitio ndukai kunyegenyura mutambo ni tuko tugikinyukia imwe kwa imwe ginya ikerekaini ria kayuka ruriri we ungienda kunyitanira na ithuĩ ndereti ici turagitwarithia na mbere tukorwo ugikietwariria haria thiini wa Kameme TV Kenya kuria mwena wa Facebook tukorwo twandikira SMS kugerera 21182 na ona kuria mwena wa X ungihota gukorwo wikuori kuno igwo nikuo kwanja kuraria thikũ ici na kuno gwitwandikire ndumiriri nigetha tukorwo tugigitereta ngwiraga onawe no wikie muhwa maku no tume mawoni maku no korwo ugitwara ndura meciria koguo ikerekaini ri ndikinengerie mundu gwitwo Maina Kihumo nigetha akorwo agitutirithia o wega wakwa ni gukuria ndukae kunyegenyora mutambo.
Gatho cia mwanya thengio muno makiria ngunyita ugeni rorenge rucini rwa kirathimo na ndirakwira kaheho kahehete guku karaiteka guiteka na doka na ageni yakwa nigetha tukorwo tugikiaraniria ni amu tugaga kwaraniria ni kwenda na no tigo gitua cira gicokia ngatho muno makiria tondu inyu mwi mitambo-ini inyu murathi na mbere kwaranira na ithuĩ ni tondu ngwiraga twi kumenya tutire o iki ngoro citu ni iguaga ciaca ni ciguaga ciaca njamuka muno tuna mundu ogwetwo Jima Castro na mundu ogwetwo Eric Lagaro nio tugukorwo tugicira nao haha rucini rwa umuthi tukwaria maingi maria marafire na mbere muthenya wa ira na mathuguta bado maria marakwirio makioneka gukorwo mari na mbeu njithi thengia ya gukorwo magikura thimairo na yagitwariria na nigetha utwire uria urona bururi uyu uthiete kana ni twitikirite ucenjia wa mahinda kana hihi turenda o gukorwo tugika maundu na mutugo uria twanamenyera kana uria tukoretwo tumenyerete. Facebook na Kameme TV Kenya kule kwa X net Kameme TV Kenya thini wa Facebook yakwa ni Maina Kihumo na tugaga kiri ngoro gitire kiahotana bururi uyu ni witu na tutiwendia tuthie ithamirio acha gutire gwa guthie guku nikuo tuguikara kuria kungi tuhaririirio no baba mucio wa matuine koguo kuma guku ni express karibuni sana murugo to Castro ya bengo negereria mwaro na nigetha ukigethie mwirori ukihũthĩra camera 3 tukimenye utuire atia.
Thengio muno Maina Kihumo na ngeithie mwiroreri witu kiroko kia umuthi na ni ndetwo gakona Jima Castro na akiuma kuria Othaya na kuria no thayo muingi muno na ndogitwarithitie Maina Kihumo ngoretwo ngiteithĩrĩria humanitarian organization ikoretwo ikitwara msaada kuria Sudan uguo ni ndakoragwo ngimekira risk analysis cia security and the political landscape iria ikoretwo kuria mwena wa Sudan na East Africa na juge thini wa gicigo kia East Africa at least nitwagire gukorwo tuki up our strategies na tactics cia gukorwo tuki maintain peace na stability niguo ona humanitarian organization magakorwo na ease ya gukorwo magitwara the humanitarian aid to the people. Uguo na maundu maingi ni makionekete thini wa bururi uyu witu wa Kenya na ngiuge makiria mwena wa siasa tondu andu ni arakaru muno ona mashinani andu ni arakaru na andu tha ni mandu mangeithi nyingi muno makiria jeshi na njira ndimwakilishe na njarie maria me mao tondu na ndimu jeshi ndimu Gen Z twarie maria me maitu tondu bururi uyu guthie mbere ni ndona ni ithu tukuoya tondu tingitikira ningi miti ya teretha turigiririe no gugukua igukia no gugiakinya no nginya kireku kihorere na kihuruke thayo
kabisa ni tutikinyite matukuru macio ma miti gukuru giterera. Okay, ni tugucira mundu wetu Eric Lagaro jokana
Edenare
Ichiunare karibu sana
kwa muno Maina ngenda kwariria mwiroreri wa Kameme haria hothe ari muthi kiroko kiega na ningwenda kumugeithia na githungu ndumire uchiunare mmeamkaje ama wa mkaze ngeko ni mwena ule wa Mombasa ugacokia achieu mabera nimeamka salama ona ichiunare
ona ni gwiraga
ni
uboga murwesega geta
achieu mabera
achieu mabera
erokamano thengio ichiunare
Achio mabera
erokamano ni kuonania Maina wa Kihumo
ari
na mutwe muritu acokagirio maita maikumi gikirani tukenda komena Gen Z tondu nywe ni nyoru taingira IT mutwire Maina umire na ki
ni ugufatara ukaleso ni by the way gatufungiria
by the ni undu serious ni wega uge tugokaga tukaria kiruga ukarehe mumbaruya twakona session ya kwaria kiruga tukauga umuthe tukwanja kwaria irio cia unduire tukoiga ithu tutaga thamaki omena nyumu koiga makuyu mundu ungi akoiga na kiruga nigetha Kenya ikorwo na cohesive by the ni undu twagirwo gwiciria ta Kameme guthomithia andu ruga ciao tukarehe ruga kadhaa na tukaria nginya muhindi agatwira getagwo Om Shanti Shanti. Eni
tukenerere thiomi citu iria twina cio.
Exactly. No ria njuka ngari akinjaruo no one tari itherũ, but I'm very serious. Ndirenda Mũgĩkũyũ amenye umuthi kiroko agithi hari ari akwa na Mũnjaruo akamuria ichieu nade. Nake Mũnjaruo kumwira ati achieu mabera.
Achieu mabera.
Muthenya akamuria irio nade.
Irio
watinda ata no na riu irio ni irio mwena wanyu no ithuĩ tuga irio nade. Watinda ata.
Nake kuga
Ario mabera.
Ario mabera.
I okoma I ogekira a. Ario mabera.
Ario mabera.
Ichieu nadi. Achieu.
Achieu mabera.
Mabera.
Hapana chesa na mimi bwana. Nie kwasa kelea nitogothoma. Riu le karibuni sana.
Thank you.
Ari tukire thiro adereti. Ni Eric Ragaro. Ni Jesse ya baba na baba ni ratigire no ni tukwaria decision to ni tathie wiki no ni tugukorwo tugikira ndiye ndeto yo
na ndiye ndirarekia maina ndiratumiro ni andu eri maranjira ngugeithie muno
ni rwacio
a kuma Thika.
Okay.
Andu a ni madagitari maje umwe etagwo Dr. Waithaka na umwe Njuguna kwanja ni wa Kiremba. Ungithie thibitari ya Thika level 5 wage ndagitari witagwo Njuguna wa Kiremba then tiwe na Njuguna aranjira njuke ngeithanie muno Kameme tondu maranjira ni tukuona muno na ndugitugeithagia ugethagia andu aruiro na nduririkanaga we wira waku ni uriku geithia acio umere ona ndagitari ni mekaga atia ni maikaraga kiroko makerora Kameme koguo Waithaka na Njuguna turai nao ira wira maje njuke ngeithanie na mukimatetere tondu ciana ciao ciana ni kumanisha aria mareketie thukuru matire maraheo internship tukimahoere nigetha makione makiingire internship magituteithia tondu internship ni wira internship mundu ndathiaga guthoma ni arikitie thukuru no nginya eke mwaka umwe wa internship nigetha eke atia aheo rutha rwa kuruta wira wiki. Internship ni kuruta wira no mundu uria ukoretwo wira-ini nigetha nginya githinjana ukerorera nigetha mwaka uyu ungi
no gathinjana na no wega kuga kwa ndagitari
ni wega na ucio niguo wira wako na nikio ndakiuga
specialized na ki
ni thondekaga andu aria mathukanite gukorwo na ironda cia ndira gukorwo ni mahite gukorwo ni magite accident ngageria gucokia mwiri wao wega ngathondeka ironda ciao na ngathi ngaciika atia ngacikuneka wina ironda cia ndira ni icio nicio ndiaga ironda cia ndira ni cihonaga onako cietwo ndira ni mwena wakwa ti ndira ni ihonaga
nikio athire thukuru.
Thank you
nega muno makiria nere tukwaraniria tugakimenya ona ndo turanie no ha ni andu thomde ni andu marakimenya uria maragika na nige tukuingira thine wa ndeto ici Castro ici cia bururi mundu gwetwo Njima na ndenda twambiririe na muthenya wa ira uria kurathire bisha ndiguciria hena ngathiti ihurite bisha njega muno cia athuri me haha atongoria mothio maria tukiuga ni mothio ma bururi ne muthenya wa ira koroni ndona ngathiti ya Daily Nation iramita handshake 2 handshake wandeke na Uhuru wa Kenyatta ngathiti ya Daily Nation ya cuthiriria ndeto ino yothe ri irona turathire kwi handshake 2 na ni John Ronde Bisha
actually ni handshake 4
okay itodu twaringinya ni regi
97 agreement yariho 2002
tabonyite Castro we ni kuona ni hatari handshake
Maina ke humu ndiramenya ngiririkana muno riria njirigite haha twi nawe tukiaria ni ndakwirire he kindu tureta handshake with no handshake kwena kuiguithania no gutiri na gucenjania kwa guoko na nima this is a handshake na kaundu karia turonire the portray iria turonire muthenya wa ira ri no go correct that is not the face of Kenya the Gen Z no it's not the face of Kenya the Gen Z they are terming it the face of our problem na they know niguo Kenya magakarĩtio niguo tondu tucokerete mahitia tukiuga no guthondeka turathondeka mahitia maria tukoretwo namo thina uria wikuo thina wa bururi uyu ndungithondekwo ni maundu maria marathire kwa neno haha for a matter of fact ni ati ira no gusaini marasainaga bill in fact dire yoka gusainwo in KICC I don't know what the bash of the party that irarehagwo KICC signing of the bill ni kaundu kwaje kagirire gukorwo gekitwo because this is a matter that concern every Kenyan ka gusaini bill ya IEBC 2024 into law uguo ni kaundu kagire gukorwo gekitwo so upate iria maretanaga haha uguo it is nothing to do with the Kenya nothing uria twinaguo tondu they are just trying to communicate marageria gututumira message na gutuonia ati ithuĩ ni tunyitanite na turenda tuhorerie bururi no ithuĩ marakara maitu ma anake na airetu aya nini marakara maitu matiri na hwetha kana ni muraraniria kana ni mugeithanirie kana mutiagire kugeithaniria ni kuigwa turaigwa expectation citu thirikari ndira meet so ni turaigwa ona na ti opposition tondu opposition nayo gutike tumihokeire na in fact no nturakinyite handu na tukariganirwo twina opposition because opposition ikoretwo ikiripot down na nikio wonaga Azimio ikoretwo ina miario maitata matatu kuri andu mwena uyu me Azimio mararia a different language uguo Azimio ndikoretwo ikiaria lugha imwe
kana nikio ri aroka nigetha relevance yake ndikorire you know
whether relevance yake kwa ndagika eno ri una ni hindi riu turaugire ni turikanitie na muthuri turikanitie nake na ungiririkana andu me maandamano mamwirire ona tukagerie kumira tondu ona waumira we kurehe hathara nene kuri iria twinayo ndagika eno uguo we uikare o mucie tundiru na thirikari ino ki Gen Z na uguo niguo yuthi irendaga ni tondu thina witu ndungitwo hoteli-ini na ndungitwo horo wareririo ni ati stakeholders ni matogukorwo a Kenya ndagika ino guti mu Kenya utararia thina uria wi bururi-ini uyu kuma kuri ahuri a biashara kuma kuri arimi a macani kuma kuri arimi a bebe kuma kuri manufacturers na ahuri traders aria mekuo o mundu ni ararida thina wake uria wonete tugacoka tugakorwo twina a common goal ya gukorwo thirikari no gwitia no tutirona wira uria irakorwo ikiruta whether kana nikorwo ni raruta no matirahota gu communicate kiria marakorwo magika but the biggest possibility here ni gukorwo ni maretia besha no gutire wira turona makiruta
yes Eric ndeto ino kana ikinya rironeka ta maybe ungigeria gwiciria gatari ya kuhoreria bururi ni toro turagiri gusainira bill KICC niki na tuonaga president oro haria gekiro kirenda gika
one nindra support Raila Amolo Odinga 100% na neguheana reason Raila danera yuthi matigane na uria mareka na itokite kwanza question yaku Raila araugirie selection panel iria iguthondekwo ya IBC inkorwo all inclusive na raheana ni andu ariku civil society churches youths nona danera yuthi moke mo discuss na thirikari maundu manyu
no bill ni a selection panel gutire handu heanite youth because you are falling on the bill gutire area isainirwo gutire handu heanite uhoro wa youth na gutire handu iroga it is all inclusive on that matter because you are falling on the law
brother Raila speech not what is written thikiriria haha Raila gave out what he feels
uria gienda we
gukuhane exactly aroiga atiriri we should have all inclusive even the young Gen Zs moke selection panel yake ya IBC reason being one of the Gen Z's maandamano was about IBC one of the maandamano yet to Eric Ragalo because I attended now I'm talking of where we came from I attended all the 5 maandamanos major ones one was IBC reconstituted which brought in NADCO yokare igikinya haha twakinya gwa gusaini Raila ri aroiga atiri riu tondu ni twage saini ri riu twi stage wingi ya gwetha no guikarira ni ariku na ariku ni tuguthondeka selection panel na ni tukuminenehia ikorwo ya andu akuhi 150 tuhe youth 50 of 150 tieri egi yao no understand na ndirathikiriirie na eno egi andu aya ngiri tumahe o mundu kamweke moke methe chairman now ikorwo all inclusive nengatha gutigatuike atiriri youth matiramenya ucio chairman oimire nako
andu 150 tuganite mareka andu 150
na nikio kuratuikire atiriri gutire na allowance na ni open igakorwo igikirwo o hau KICC andu ni moke mo agikone maina urahenda gitiri Modo ni aroka amenyete ni Maina na ena question on who? On Maina. No anyita. Gitumi kia andu kunegena ati Raila ni ekate anga ni ekate. People are emotional. Thaici. Andu marona maundu mothe on the Gen Z's line. They didn't wait to understand what was Raila saying. Thaici niguo andu mara understand haya. Na Raila daraminaga maundu ma Gen Z maya mage. Raila raminaga constitution of panel ya IBC. Gitumi kia kumurumaira the whole day. What was it all about? At the end of the day, ni ndaciarwo Raila politics ine. Ndajia na Raila 2002. I'm 22 years old with Raila on his side. Di dauma. I've understood Raila's body language, on the face language, ginya mearerio yake. Woya mearerio yake wabie gwiciria undu ungi, you'll remain with the egg on your face. Raila ni araugire ore araugire na ndingienda kuga more than ore araugire cause ugu araugire ni right. Ndanoiga Gen Z don't continue with what you're doing. In fact, Raila mwenyewe ni oigire he supports what Gen Z are doing. At least my children have come to do my job, which is okay. Riu ego kimagaruka atia. Ciana ici ri ndimete ciana, I'm sorry. Gen Z no mokire makiuga they are giving the government 10 days. 10 days ya gwika atia to sign the bill. The government has done the right thing within 10 days. They have signed the bill. So where are we going after the bill? Selection panel. Raila raheana wedi wake in the selection panel. Gai kuga ni arekire uru kuheana wedi wake. Iba selection panel. Riu ne kurumio. Ararumerio ki. Ni undu ni araheanire wedi wake. Ndanauga ati selection panel ati youth yume na kou etigane na mauria mareka methe chairman wao. Ni araheanire uria areciria na woria kiuria irasainirwo KICC niki. One, Gachagua ni ekirire bomu na mihinga na akihinga mirango yake ya State House akiuga Raila ri ndangĩingĩra State House. Niwe unyitaga ki? Niwe Wosimani. Tutigitiga Wosimani arute wira wake. Tungike miti ginya rungu rwa kiria rwa miti. No ginya State House. Power is not in the house. Power is in the person who wields the power. President is a president even under a tree. To ginya Raila the State House negetha nyamu yo sainwo. Na nonire ginya, well, I'll be honest here. Moraokire ke, marokire haria. Kuonania ke, we came all of us to do this thing. It is in the public domain. Haha neho KICC, it's called the Kenyatta International Convention Center, one of the main public utilities. Toka komesainira ha gatagate wa tauni, not in the centers of power. Tuamure here nyamo yanyu.
Okay.
No ona. But one thing I want to ask my brother. Politics cuts both sides. Right now it is hurting for him. Gukoro baba ni arakuhiriria ki. Why is baba a problem akuhiriria power? Tondu riu baba ni mararaniria na Ruto, riu baba ni moru. Baba athoka ni undu wa guthie haria irasainagirwo. Tondu no wathire maandamano nigetha na nduko yuke. Urenda kunjara nyamu ingira sainirwo riu baba atari ho. Who owns it, by the way? Nanduko came because of who? Our brothers died. I, Eric Ragalo Otieno, nilitibu one of my own Azimio partners. He's called Onyango. The last man to die was my patient. Gemuthodeka agekua emoko ine makwa. Gearia na andu aitu awandai ginya baba Britain hindi yo. Gemwira mundu witu ni athie. Akejoria bill ni cigana. Gemwira bill yokete 1 point something million. Tukiambia kuraise bia. Dada uko a painful experience. Tukiraise bia gugituika ni twaraise bia ni twareha biro. Mwere we umash. Twenda kuraise bia cia gutwara moyo uyu mucie. Onyango astwarirwo gicagi. Nie Eric ni ndoimire ha ngithinja mundu Githumo. Thibitari Githumo. One of our colleagues, I took up the job guthi guthondeka andu aitu free of charge. Nigetha na nduko eno ikinya hari ikinyete. Then tondu baba ne heana mendekithia make na meciria make on the channel ine ngiri. ya kurehe chairman ri riu ni ambia kuhurwo ndanera genzi mutigathi bara ni mathie ndeire by the way we went machozi Monday machozi whatever we were there all the time no merete matigathi but at the end of the day what is the end game end game reke ngwire very simple ona ungirwa na mutumia waku muthia mugaikari othe mukero tuikare ithe riu tuthondeke riu ri magaikara thiri tugatura ihenya igirire
na thina uria twina guo Maina Kihumo ri thina uria twina guo ti Raila na ti opposition na hotha kana ni maragia tondu no mahuranagira thimu kuria maranagiria ri tutikoragwo na thina no horo to ucio pati iria irekirwo kuria IB kuria KICC ri niyo twina turauga atiri irari na course iriko ya gukorwo tugitena pati ino yothe ya guka gusaini bill number 1 Raila aregete guthii gukurugamirira gusaini bill ya appropriation bill ire raisainirwo ni Ruto State House niki
he is not party to it. Nadco ni Raila. My friend, Nadco is Raila.
No, Nadco is not Raila. This is a national conversation. No ko ya national conversation. We cannot belittle it to come to Raila. It cannot be Raila. And let me tell you, Raila is conning his way into government. The way he uses to con his way to his government. This man is using all his means. One ukoni yako ni his way to government. Oria menyerete gukorwa agika. Number 1, he is a man who is driving on crisis. Every time there is crisis, this man is the face of the crisis. Niwe wonekaga after adu makua, maandamano make adu ni makuire. More than 75 adu ni makuire.
75 is a lie.
Eno ya agency nayo more than 120 people ni makuire. Riu thaici nake ni umirite ati niguo ndu matike to no arahoreria kitondu kuhoreria kwa genzi ni thirikari ikorwo irresponsible na maundu maria
ni kure heothi wakiri reke itwaranirie
Raila is not the problem ni reke ngwire Raila is not the problem and he is not part of our problem na nikio tukoretwo in fact we had not dealt with Raila. Now in this conversation nitoheretie Raila into our conversation and we gave him time aga campaign gitegeka ka AU nitwaducio nitwamurekereiria thia karuta siasa ciake athia campaign ko AU na tutire twa interfere na horo wake no ni ukacoka oka afia ini citu tondu ni arenda gukoni a Kenya niguo arehe maundu make nguria tere Maina kegwire Maina Kihumo kaundu gakora igwa gathi ko 10 kuma mande ginya juma ri kauna gathi guthiko mathi kwariririo ria makugaya na thirikari tondu ni maraigua thaici na ni raigura Kalonzo akiuga ino genzi ni gutweheria na ni mani tukumeheria tondu andu aya ni turona ni matumite tukorwo tukihinyiririka na twina thina uyu ni tondu andu aya mutirenda gucenjia na marenda kuhuthira map ire ya tene ku navigate a new territory na undu ucio niguo tutangiona ino ni new territory ina maundu meru maundu technology ni njeru na nikio rona na warfare iria ciekuo ri no njeru the level of globalization no nginya tu deal nayo na muonere mweru na maundu meru ogwo thina wa go solve the problem here ti kunyitana ko fix ati mbuga ya thirikari because at the end of the day let me tell you
nigetha watho uyu usainwo na niguo kurathire na moiro ko mugi celebrate maybe na
kugatire yes
no we have no problem with that one
ni mwaheanete kana mutia
no ni atiriri party na baji marathi gwika KICC
having a problem with the people
no we are not having a problem with the people we are having the problem with the government because the government what it promised the people it's doing the exactly opposite to what it told the people and I said it here again Nagiuga William Ruto is no different from other presidents who have been there. He is not different from other presidents who have been there. But he should be worried not to become the worst president from others who have been there. That's what I say. Raila na Maina Kihumo ni ndamenya ndogocoka after thiko icio 10 mĩcemanio yathira. Undu uria marenda gukonia andu aya ODM ni kurehe ODM kurehe uria mamenyerete kurehe Azimio in fact not Azimio tondu already ni makonete cia mairia ici ni makonete cia mairia ingi cia Jubilee na iria ingi koretwo cia Azimio na Kenya thaici ri makoncentrate na ODM na ODM irenda gukon its way into that government magayane thirikari na after thiko icio 10 tugucoka twaririo horo wa coalition government
ni thirikari Eric Muranga na igwo kwina mathina maingi we murenda kuingira kuria kuroneka ta kurahe na no kuro maybe president arahuthira Raila gukorwo agietha ga solution ga kuhoreria maundu maybe akihope muthe ne ukora ikigwithia andu nigetha makihorerie temperature cia siasa.
Maina nona Gen Z eno Gen Z yajiria 1997 nego the first Gen Z nego waguciarwo nginya just the other day nego we have Raila Gen Zs, we have Ruto Gen Zs, we have Kalonzo Gen Zs. Someone should never cheat you. Ategotire Gen Z ya modo. There are Gen Zs who are pro Raila. Take it from me. Kogo kuga Gen Z is like
divide and rule.
It is the truth.
No, it's Gen Z is to pro people. We are not pro person, we are pro people. Gen Z is it is pro people, it is pro country. Patriotic.
Okay.
Everyone has his own Gen Zs. Tell you the truth. When things come down to the wire, I'll wait for the party. Yes, they will go back. Gen Zs makona mena andu wao na mena kwao. Iyo ni reality haha andu matenda gwitikira. And reke ngwire na ne ngwira muthuri o very simple. Meeting ino rekekire haria yo ndaheana history uria yokire. Nyamu ino ndingicaino Raila atariho because he's party to it. All negotiations, sitting down, meeting with who? With Ruto himself to form an ADCO committee. Kurehe andu aku, no yarehe andu ake. Magaikara thi. It is so good and it is proper. Ogesaini bill ehutanetie na andu eri. Reke othe makome hau. It is just common properness. It's not about ate party rekirare hau. It is not a party, it's just common properness. Appropriation bill is the bill of the government. Raila was not party to it. It was created by the Ministry of their departments and under the Ministry of Finance and Planning departments. They created appropriation bill. It is not party to Raila, surely. Or go force Raila into other bills naked. This is party to him and me, Eric Ragalo, because I sweat and had tear gas and treated people who died under me. It is party to me.
Okay.
9 issues that were in ADCO, Nandai Kareta Agikura, some of them I'm not even party to. Like now, World Development Fund. I'm not party to it. Okay? It's not that NADCO is proper to me, no. But if IBC is proper to me, I want the Hena constituency haha etago banga bahana nga badot etago do area MP wa kuirete ene. Bangisa Banisa kituka hiyo. I'm just trying to remember, Banisa. Sorry. Banisa nego. Is it not important makona leader wao? Is it not important masoke gedura na makona MP? Is it not important for me? It is important for me, though it's not my constituency. Is it not important to get IBC negada keria Gen Z maredare to recall MPs who were not proper? Meto, I'm happy with that. Why can't we have a celebration? Because Gen Zs have won the first match. Which match? They have gotten the government to sign a bill. They na sign on your Gen Z, ne asaino. Totigoko na panel ya kurehe ando. Panel ya hane atia Raila heana idea uria panel agienda ekorwo. Gen Z re magiro gukorwo atiri Raila ne heana idea. First match won. What can we do? There is an idea of this. Do we take it or we bash it? Okay. Maka discuss the issue. Ukira kuhura Raila for no reason. Okay, Raila is finding his way to the government. Kiunekio kiuma kioria gugaku. Guga yes and no. Yes is because we are all in the government according to the constitution article yugaga, we are in the parliamentary system. No way opposition and no way government. Na nikyo kwarutirwo leader of opposition in parliament. Etagwo leader of majority in parliament and a minority in parliament, which means parliament has no opposition. You can oppose in either side. Tene ginya dogia cross the parliament omwe mweno ogere odie mweno ori oge. Ogemira mweno odi mweno ori oge ne katia. Na waruzi gete. Because you can be on this side and still vote to the government. Pasar is there vote na government. He kire aneko. Da haya na example jaga muno. Na he ritarere last time ahurire yes. Gutikodo atwarirwo. Ritarere ahurire no. Arati go mweno oyoge. Niki.
Okay.
So the issue is there is no government that we are not. There is no opposition that the government is not. No anyita. On a government can be part of opposition in itself. That is the constitution area to enayo. Ukoragwa teriu government faces Raila. Sorry kugwa retwa rere ni wana. Raila no akorwo thirikari-ine na no afinge thirikari. O tore Eric Omondi aroiga thirikari ni rekire wega. Na he njikara hanga oiga thirikari ndireka wega. Because that is a constitutional right. Riu ndiroria atiriri. Raila arenda aheo ite igayo. Ona hindi ya Uhuru gwatuikite Raila ni arenda arathire handshake negetha aheo ite igayo. Eric haha soja wa Raila miaka 22. Niki kia Raila ndiri ndaheo. Ni ona no nyende Raila aigire thirikari o basi tondu murenda kumuforce heo giti tondu ndaheo giti guguthia atia. You know ti wega gukoragwo that's the move ya Raila yoyagwo negative. Even when he means well. Na nikio nginya oigire atire wa iguru ni raia. Gwituika Raila ndarenda muiretu urathie wega na catwalk. Ria gwatuikire ningi ni gwathie uguo ri. He mundu wacokire TV kuga Raila no oi. No you are right.
Nigetha na mururi na utwariria utwire woni waku iguru ri ndeto ino iri ragitwarithio na mbere ni kurendeka riu tugie na conversation ka tuko tugikiaraniria tumenyerio mahitwa andu 150 aya na nigetha tuthi tuikare thi no majenzi ni momoroiga ithu tirenda miario mingi turenda thirikari ikorwe kia tondu Eric na nituguka hau uhoro ige maybe maundu maria majenzi maheanite na ni wega uyu wa IBC ni umwe wamo
ni na ni mawini.
Okay, tukithira mbere na kwaraniria na wega no ujererie kwitukira Facebook ama TV Kenya kuria kwa X Kama TV Kenya kana thina wa Facebook akoma Maina Kihumo tugakwaraniria ni kwenda na tigo gitua cira kiri ngoro gitire kia hotana na tuigane noru tutina kwiro thije muhotani akunengerwo kindu kiria gigiake tukiinikirira ikereka riri box na ithano na urabatarania kuthithimo-ini yaku hinye *317# ikira gatagati ga ciringi 70 nginya 1000 ucagure box imwe hari ithano na no wihotanire nginya ciringi 500 ni kuhitukira *317# ikira gatagati ga ciringi 70 nginya ciringi 1000 box ucagure imwe hari ithano no wihotanire nginya ciringi 500 ni tukiinikiriria ikereka riri ria ikigera thaa 2 cia rucini niguo tugukorwo tukinengera muhotani witu wa ikereka ria keri kiria kiri giake ndagika 20 ciukite Castro thina ni uriku Raila no gusign no gutigire atigirire ati kiria emergency marenda ni gia signwo ona gutuika otoguo nderera Eric maruiga matirenda gikaro iki andu igana ria 50 na nimokoretwo makiuria ndundu ya minister ikorwo gikwo mugaruruku so far maybe gutiri undu uri urahanika na rikio ri maybe marona tari guikirio maraikirio o bebe tu na kira ira kare hwa nigetha gire convince andu guo nigetha otoguo gutiri mundu tari emergency make ri nigetha andu magerie gukorwo makiria ko divide kana kugayukanio nigetha kimurumo giki gikorwo gikihwa
Kenya be juge Raila tuwe waragiriria jenzi na tuwe rukamagira jenzi na juge jenzi ekiumira street guti mundu uramya thite yumire na guti mundu wa mirire yumire ati street ine ati tondu acio ni akwa na ndamera maumire cause area jenzi ireka ni patriotic cause to rescue this country from sliding into abject poverty na instability na kaundu karia muthuri uga atiriri ni ODM kana Azimio ni aremirwo ni wira wa opposition uria ihetwo mandate ni constitution ihetwo mandate ni constitution it's very clear that the person the immediate runners up wa githurano gia presidential he becomes the opposition leader na ni Raila Odinga uguo ni aremetwo ni wira wake wa opposition wira uria oi muno
aremetwo tena ni gwa mutwarite fara matuko maingi na nginya na ndiko rokire mituko
no this man knows how to con his way into government infiltration ya government na rugirona na neko yanda example kuma 1997 oguo tokete oguo hena history yake yori akoretwa gikoni a Kenya at the expense of the people gukon his way into government na mundu ucio
akariria agakira
na matia kiri na Uhuru thina no wathirire na andu aya makiumira makiuga thina uria twina guo ni tondu tutiri na opposition was nä ikirio må huko nä thirikari noguo noguo tå rageria gwä ka atä a kå girä rä ria må ndå å korwo nä AU arenda gå thiä athiä AU atigane na affairs cia Gen Z na thirikari madiru nacio but he cannot leave that one nä tondå nä arenda kå interfere na nä arenda gå take advantage ya the state of the nation å rä a ikaire ndagä ka ä no nä guo agerie gå connive into government, infiltrate government niguo andũ akĩona ũmateithĩkĩre thĩinĩ wa thirikari ĩno but we shall not be strengthening opposition. In fact nĩ gũkorwo tũkĩũraga opposition ĩrĩa ĩho na wĩra ũyũ wa Raila in fact hĩndĩ yake hĩndĩ ciothe niguo etwo metha-inĩ no nginya gũkorwo andũ makuĩte no nginya gũkorwo andũ nĩ injured na rithathi andũ nĩ marĩte tear gas ndangĩhota gũthiĩ kwaria na president kana president in fact gũtikorwo makĩarania nake atakorwo nĩ ambĩte kũrehe ũhoro wa crisis, violence, destruction of properties and loss of lives so Raila nĩguo gũkinya nginya thirikari-inĩ there is one ultimate price to pay no nginya gũkorwo kũrĩ andũ makuĩte
no rĩu thĩna wa Raila nĩ ũrĩkũ wa kuuga atĩ nĩ kũgĩe na mbeũ njĩthĩ magwĩkĩrwo haha moke twaranĩrie tũcagũre andũ a IEBC mũtigĩrwo kũrwo mũgĩcelebrate tondũ ũndũ ũcio nĩguo mũrarũaga
Raila Odinga rĩ arapropose na nĩngwendaga in fact nĩngũnũtĩte nĩguo correct mũthuri ũyũ arapropose gũkorwo na andũ 50 magũthiĩ maranĩrie na youth moe mawoni ti handũ tũrairwo tũgũthiĩ selection-inĩ panel na selection panel it is constituted in the bill so matige gũtwĩrĩra kĩndũ outside the law na rĩu that unconstitutionalness nĩyo tũraũgeria kuga atĩrĩrĩ you follow the constitution to the letter but this constitution or the bill the parliament bill ought to have recognized the youth tondũ ithuĩ mũragĩtwĩrĩra na kanua na nĩ kaũndũ tũtekĩrĩirwo constitution-inĩ nĩkĩ mũtwĩragĩrio na kanua that is what we are telling them
nĩ magĩkĩrĩte na ndiko-inĩ
exactly na nĩkaheanĩte 9 people na nĩkaheanĩte it has appropriated how the 9 people they are going to share those 9 people so a youth is not recognized ũguo nĩ atige gũtinda akĩra andũ atĩ andũ 150 atĩ mathi makarĩrĩrie ũrĩa the selection panel has a process na it is has na nĩ ĩkĩrĩtwo thĩinĩ wa
constitution marenda tondũ marauga batirenda dialogue
constitution aya Gen Z ĩrenda action
which action
Gen Z ĩrenda action number 1
IEBC na thikũ 10 one of the action thondeka IEBC na thikũ 10
yes
nĩwe weranĩire eranĩire nĩ agũthondeka na thikũ ikĩ na nĩtũramũririkanagia tondũ nĩ amenyerete kũhenia andũ nĩtũramũririkanagia ũtigĩtie mathaa 23 ũtigĩtie mathaa 6 nĩtũramũririkanagia ndakae gwĩtua atĩ tũriganĩirwo every Gen Z today is very alert and very vigilant uguo matikagerie this time gũtirĩ gũkon na gũtirĩ kũhũthĩra njĩra ya ũkora gũthiĩ gwĩka atĩ
gũtwo nĩ atongoria magwegwe tondũ Eric gũtirĩ Gen Z taumĩte handũ
nĩ manje gũtirĩ Gen Z taumĩte handũ no Gen Z ĩrĩa ĩ hau rĩ nĩ wonete agĩũka kũmĩtongoria ngwĩrire Gen Z raundi ĩno nĩ pro people pro Kenyan and very patriotic
Castro thĩinĩ wa mbica ĩno rĩ Gen Z no haha ũguo
hatakĩrĩ Gen Z athuri aya me haha rĩ nĩ ũrona ta matambũrĩte nginya mũtumia atumia na youth meko we are in the periphery and they are seen to be the face of Kenya no ithuĩ na ithuĩ tũramera atĩrĩrĩ you shall be in the periphery we shall be in Kenya
Eric maybe ũkĩongerera ũguo ũrenda kuongerera rĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Raila Odinga gũkorwo akĩoneka at this hour taroka mũno hakuhĩ na thirikari na ndaramenya rũciũ rũgakorwo rũikarĩte atĩa rĩ ndagwĩka ũrĩa Kalonzo arakorirwo akiuga andũ no matũinũkie kũhota gũkorwo kwĩna ũgwati tondũ Kalonzo nĩ areheririe by the way nĩ ona tarĩ ũgĩ gũkorwo agĩthiĩ mũno kuoneka tere yohithanie na thirikari
Kalonzo nĩ arathoma ground
ĩrĩkũ
ground ũrĩa rauga na magathikagĩrĩria mũnini wa president mathikagĩrĩria mũnini wa president mpaka iwe ground irauga atĩa mathikĩrĩrie
ground nĩ Mount Kenya
ground nĩ bũrũri ũrauga atĩa
reke njũrie ground
ground
Mathĩra kũrĩa umĩte
ground nĩ bũrũri ũrauga Mombasa kũrauga atĩa Isiolo kũrauga atĩa Nairobi kũrauga atĩa Kisumu kũrauga atĩa Eldoret kũrauga atĩa thikĩrĩria Mũkenya
okay ũũ nĩoĩ ground gũkĩra andũ amwe ndenda gũkwĩra atĩrĩrĩ brother tondũ nĩ akũrehete ũndũ atĩ Raila endaga kũingĩra thirikari-inĩ angeke atĩa 1997 hĩndĩ ya kĩndũ gĩgĩtagwo cooperation yetagwo cooperation between Raila na Moi yarehire IPPG Interparliamentary Group ĩrĩa yarutire yarehire New ECK. New ECK yore yacokire igituika all the 12 members of ECK then tondu ndirikana yari 12 mathuragwo ni thirikari imwe ya KANU. IPPG gwituika o party area yothe a parliament ni kurehe mundu nona na tugikorwo na kiharamutu nao Moi eheririo ni IPPG ino ni undu wendi wa Moi ndwathire wega ni undu riu nukwari na openness yake na IPPG ino ri yarehirwo ni corporation 2007 after bara tugikorwo na kindu gietagwo Constitution Amendment Bill ire yarehire Prime Minister tugikorwo na 2010 Constitution in the record of 1.5 years. 2010 we inaugurated a new constitution in a record of 1.5 years. Todo after 2007 ni tutiingira 2080 within 2008 ni twathiete tuga campaign na tugarikia na 2010 tukimirehe Uhuru Park in a record time because of muungano. In 2017 handshake wanyita ikirehe BBI. BBI yo yarehaga 90% wega wothe wa BBI wathi ya kirima-ini. Kirima gikirega tondu BBI ni yari ya Uhuru aingirie Raila na thutha. Kirima gikirega. I know what I'm saying. Onokone yathire igoti-ini kirima ni kiaregete. I live, born, brought up, bred, campaigned and everything. Kirima-ini brother.
Noigua. I'm saying market
ona ndari BBI kirima na ndaikeno ona kirauga atiriri before Nadiko it is not an emergency. Ni tu BBI
after 2022
ni tutige guthie dialogue ingi nitwambe report iria ciri hori tondu twina report cie shelf no dust iragia
BBI ne yakuire
kumo KRJ
tutiracoka hau
ni tucoke report twambe turore report iria cia recommended ni matige gutinda magitwita ati dialogue na formation cia tax force na kiria na Nadiko emergency na maundu maria me ma Kenya maundu maria macovaga uhoro wa economy me BBI ni tucovu BBI
Nadiko emergency na the same man is telling us at a member wa Gen Z na Gen Z marendaga nyamu ino irehwo in 10 days degrarehirwo tondu IBC yo e Nadiko ine. You know these guys now I don't know. Anyway, let me continue. 2022 ira ciara Nadiko ina maundu kenda no nyita koguo ri maundu-ine maya mothe ri ni maraira tukiuga Raila ni muru basi ni akirehira IPPG ria atugaruriire Kenya ni arehire new constitution ria thondekete Kenya ni arehe na BBI ria yaregirwo Kenya na riu ni marorire one man one vote yani shilling one item in the whole of BBI ni the member wa BBI drafting committee ugu aroiga we aroiga ri ndoi ni ndariko Nadiko ri de member wa Nadiko ni mareheirwo nyamu yao ya ABC matigetie riu ya ma minister na icio ingi maybe minister Raila ndagakorwo hau igithondekwo no ino no nginya ngirakorwo tondu ni party yake direct involved no anyita. Please brother, as much as neturarora thirikari urerathie, please don't fight what is not necessary. No. Tuge aterere ta youth, we won the first battle. No, we are going to the second battle in getting the chairman. Let's be open and clear.
No tuke maundu ma hamwe tondu taruri hena maundu maingi demands nyingiri hena tondu matuko no marathie haya IBC ni oka na ni wega muno makiria hau gutiri mundu turahura ruingi uhoro igie mihaka ni tutigitwo na thutha muno makiria then president no atwarithie ndeto ino ya IBC no uhoro igie kurisa
nayo ni turenda pressure ya Gen Z. Let's keep the pressure going. We are doing very well. No riu mairo kuga atiriri now we have IBC. IBC ndengekorwo itari na members tani twikeri wira ungi with the members. Even before they give us the members, we can propose for them 10 members oria mara propose Okia Omutata for presidency. Na ni wega Okia is the best president Kenya should have. Tondu ni mundu uruireire ukoretwo akinyitwo ni undu wa ithue na nikio nginya Okia athie Uhuru Park ndathire ta MP kana senator, athire ta mwana vuguvugu, athie harai mwana ikimukenerera na gwatuikite mwana siasa ndagoke. Nowe athie haria, he has a face of not a politician, he's a face of a person who's been fighting for people, na nikio makenire kumwo MP ogiathire serious ne ko giathukire na ne kwariama. So if Okia is wanted by the people, fine, me I will be happy with it, because our people's decision is a decision of God. But now magiro kugatiriri Raila ni aratwirire kaundu ni panel irathi gwethwo riu ri tumuteithie tutiguthie hau aratwita no tondu twina panel itu haha ya X ni tukumuhe andu na ne andu acio ri ni turenda nyamu ino ikorwo online nigetha mugugithie uria kurathie. The whole Gen Z's fraternity of 18 million people are watching, giving their views. That is what I expect from Gen Z, bro. No na tutiguthie no ithuĩ twina 18 million people who will be attending.
Nikahana mahoni mao.
They are attending online. Tukaheana maoni. Nigetha ona mehare makoiga no, our chairman is Maina Kihumo. He fits to be our chairman and that is the person we want. We will give you your chairman. Okay. No riu kuga atiriri, hey Raila amefanya, Raila alifanya. Sometimes let's be positive. Sometimes let's see. This guy is telling us we need now to form a panel to give us chairman. Nitwetwo no tutirenda guthie. Koguo tukumera atiriri, KICC igotikoragwo na indo cia kumemerekia ni muturehere nyamu ino online. Nitokumuhe chairman kuringana na ora ithio tukuona tuikarite haria tuikarite. I mean that is a discussion we should have. Gukira kuhura kindu without even having nikimani tuhuraga indo uguo
njira uguo tobe twikire nigetha tugicokereria tugetutirihe ndereti eno turathie na mbere na gukiaraniria iguru yegie haria tumite tungigakinya haha maundu mahiuhete ni turagire na giikaro gia kwaririo ru ya ABC thutha wa ihinda inene muno makiria ria kugucania. Gen Z's maroiga matirenda miario no miingi, marenda action, na ohoro ABC ni ikinya rimwe ria kuonania ati thirikari ni raki kana Ruto ni arakiguirio ria na arahena thiku riu macio mangiatia ingi muno maria Gen-Z's ma keri gatagatĩ ga ciringi 70 nginya 1,000 kirio kuigua kiega nawe ucoke worote box imwe hari 5 iria ukuona yagireire kana irio kuona teri na kirio renda no wihoterere 500,000 ciringi 10,000 50,000 kana 500,000 niko tukira *317# ciringi ni gatagatĩ ka 70 nginya 1,000 cagura box imwe tuke na mbeca ndukava cia mitambo.
Kameme TV. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wihotanire ginyagia maita 5,000 ma beti yaku teke teke. Yes, ni uhuthu. Hihinya *675# uthake na namba 6 cia munyaka kume 1 nginya 6. Ikira muigano wa beti yaku kuwihotanire ginyagia maita 5,000 hau hau. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wigire mweke muhari miekene ya gutuika muhotani. Hihinya *675# uthake o riu. Mundu utakinyetie miaka 18 ndagathake. Thaka na uigirereki. Itangatho riri ni rihitukie ni BCLB.
This is GoTV, and right here is where you can catch the brilliance of Mbappe, the scoring power of Kane, Ronaldo's, and all of the greats fighting for the glory to be crowned the kings of Europe. Don't miss the unbeatable action of all 51 games of Europe's biggest football event, live on SuperSport on GoTV and GoTV Stream. The Euro